Hi, welcome to the second lesson 1B of Piööc, Akeer, Thoŋ. As I said before, Thoŋ has 33 letters, um, all of them here, and then each of the letters belongs to a category. So, anong Akeer Dheu, Akeer Yao, Akeer Deng, Akeer Tiet, Akeer Mat, Akeer Lodge. The first group that we'll do today is called Akeer Dheu. We'll talk about what they mean, Kujala, which of the letters belongs to Akeer Dheu. Akeer Dheu, Ayakir to along ken kenyal ku ache good name. So this essentially means Akeer Dheu. These are letters that whose intonations is high when you pronounce them, and then each of them is written separately, as you can see them here. Akeer Dheu Aidetem, so they are 6 of them. Ku keke nong A, nong A is E, O, E, O. A, E, E, O, E, O. Okay. These are the uppercase ones, and then these are the lowercase ones. Today, we'll just focus on words and phrases that have A and A. A and A. So the first one that we'll do is A. A can have different forms in words. You can have just one single A, or two A's, like A, ku A. On the left is the single A. On the right is words that have a double A. So words that have a single A include, and then I'll just write out the word in Dongjiang on the left, and then I'll put the English translation to the right in orange so that you can see. So the first word where A is a single is a corn. Corn means elephant. Arik. Arik. Arik means lizard. Agok. 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 Agok means monkey. Awan. Awan. That means fox. Achom. Achom. Snail. Akikar. Akikar. Spider. Achuil. Achuil. Eagle. Agwek. Agwek. Frog. Thial. Thial. Spoon. Akacha. Akacha. Donkey. Areu. Areu. Tortoise. And then on the right here are words that have a double R in them. Abar. Abar. Orphan. Agany. Agany. Alligator. Anyar. Anyar. Buffalo. R. R. Crack. Y. Y. Road. Achak. Achak. Tick. Kudwal. Kudwal. Handshake. Die. Die. Sight. And then we'll talk about words that have the single R and the words that have the double R in sentences. The first sentence is Yengu chata. Yengu chata. What have you thought? Next is Areu akwang. Areu akwang. The tortoise is swimming. Number 3. Anchem thial. Anchem thial. I'm eating using a spoon. Number 4. Mith alotai. Mith alotai. The children have gone out. Anyar anong nom tung kero. Anyar anong nom tung kero. A buffalo has 2 horns. Anwak, anwak, I'm taking a bath. Ekam thin kor yen angot. Ekam thin kor yen angot. Only a few minutes are left. Ring anong it piat. Ring anong it piat. The meat has fat. More words with a, ma, a, na. Man. Ma, a, na. Man. Ma, a, na. Man. Man. Met achat ke man. Met achat ke man. In man guop aret. In man guop a pay. In man guop a pay. Wa a ra. Wa a ra. War. Wa a ra. Wa a ra. War. Chol acheng war. Chol acheng war. Chol achene war tok mar. Chol achene war tok mar. Cha, u, a, i. Cha, u, a, i. Try, 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 try. Yin chi try a pay math. Yin chi try a pay math. Mama ayup try. Mama ayup try. Wa a i. Wa a i. Why? Wa a i. Why? Wa a i. Why? Wa a i. Why? Akon elun why? Akon elun why? Yangu yina why? Yangu yina why? The second Akeer that we'll talk about today is a. Like a can also have a single a and a double a. Words that have a single a are yeth, yeth, neck. Deng, deng, rain. Lip, lip, tongue. Again, again, bed. Rich, rich, plural fish. Lech, lech, teeth. Cat, cat, sewing. Will, will, turkey. Leng, leng, drum. Leng, leng, chat. Arrow, arrow, tortoise. Words that have double a. Tear, tear, argument. Queer, queer, path. Lair, lair, rolling. Beara, beara, flag. Ger, ger, driving. Akeer, akeer, letters. Near, near, raindrops. Arcade, arcade, threads. Quen, quen, counting. So example of sentences that have a. Single A and double A are 1. Yinong thok lej pieth. Yinong thok lej pieth. You have beautiful teeth. Anin again num. Anin again num. I'm sleeping on the bed. Well rot, turn around. You bleng a piet moin. You bleng a piet moin. Beat the drum properly, my guy. Berada achuku jatnyal. Berada achuku jatnyal. We've raised our flag. Kon ran date kubajal man. Kon ran date kubajal man. Know a person first before hating them. Yengo yi we ran to care. Yengo yi we ran to care. Why are you ganging up on one person? Yin chalage heritage. Yin chalage heritage. Thank you very much. More examples of Akeer, Dheu, of E and double E. Ka e. Ka e ka. Ka e. Ka e ka. Ke cake. Ke cake. En chat ke we. En chat ke we. Lo we cake. Lord we cake. Ta e ma. Ta e ma. Ta e ma. Ta e ma. Tim. 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 Duruai tim ko. Duruai tim ko. Watch where tim. Watch where tim. Ka u e na. Ka u e na. Ka u e na. Ka u e na. Quen. Or quen. 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 Quen hoku. Quen hoku. Ante hokcha quen. Ante hokcha quen. Cha e nga. Cha e nga. Cha e nga. Cha e nga. Cheng. Cheng. Chang. Chang. Cheng jang apiat. Cheng jang apiat. Jang anong chang waj. Jang anong chang waj. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.